The key to success. Mastering professional English reading. Mr. Khan had always struggled with reading complex reports at work. As a marketing analyst, he needed to read and interpret industry reports, client emails, and business proposals daily. However, unfamiliar words and long sentences often slowed him down. One day, he decided to improve his professional English reading skills. Mr. Khan started by setting a simple goal: read one business article every morning. First, he found it challenging, but he kept a dictionary handy and noted down new words. He also highlighted key points and summarized each article in a few sentences. This helped him retain the information better. One afternoon, his manager, Sarah, assigned him to analyze a dense market research document. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, Mr. Khan applied his new strategies. He scanned the document for headings, keywords, and key figures before reading in detail. This approach helped him understand the main ideas quickly. To further enhance his reading skills, Mr. Khan joined an online business reading group. There, he discussed articles, shared insights, and learned from others. The discussions improved his comprehension and exposed him to different perspectives. Over time, Mr. Khan noticed a significant improvement in his reading speed and confidence. He could now grasp complex ideas faster and respond to emails with greater clarity. His manager was impressed with his growth, and soon Mr. Khan was given more responsibilities. By consistently practicing and engaging with professional materials, Mr. Khan transformed his reading skills, opening doors to new opportunities. He realized that improving professional English reading was not just about understanding words, it was about gaining knowledge and staying ahead in his career. If you want to learn professional English and other professional skills like IT, subscribe to this channel on YouTube and Facebook.